Hello everyone and welcome to Ida Tutorials. I'm Aarti Naik and today I'm going to teach you English grammar topic active and passive voice. So let us begin with the voices. What is voice? Voice is that form of transitive verb that shows whether the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action or has action done to it. Okay, for example, Mohan played football. Now in this sentence is in active voice. Here Mohan is the subject and he is the doer of the action and action is played football. The action of the subject is transferred to the object. Football becomes Mohan has done something to the football. And the passive voice of this sentence is football was played by Mohan. So first difference between active and passive voices: in active voice subject is the subject becomes object while making it passive voice. In active Mohan comes subject comes first, and passive in active Mohan is the subject and football is the object, but for passive sentence football becomes subject and Mohan is object. Okay, so here the subject is football which was object in the active sentence. So here something is done to the subject, that means football. It means it suffers the action done by something or someone, that is Mohan. Rules for the change of voice. The subject of active sentence become the subject of the verb in the passive and the preposition by is put before it. The main verb of the active sentence changes into the past participle. The form of the verb is am, is, are, was, were, being, been is placed before the main verb according to the tense, and the auxiliary verb is changed according to the new subject in the number and person. Let us see. For subject case and object case for active and passive, I becomes by me, we becomes by us, you becomes by you, he becomes by him, she by her, it by it, and they by them. Now change in tense from active voice to passive voice. Now tense according to our tenses chart. Simple present. He kills a snake. A snake is killed by him. In passive. Past. He killed a snake. A snake was killed by him. Simple future. She will write a letter. A letter will be written by her. Present progressive. She is singing a song. A song is being sung by her. Past progressive. She was singing a song. A song was being sung by her. Present perfect. They have watered the plants. In passive voice, the plants have been watered by them. Past perfect. We had helped him. He had been helped by us. Future present. I will have bitten him. He will have been bitten by me. Change of voice in a simple present tense. Active voice become passive. How active voice become passive? He reads a novel. A novel is read by him. He does not obey his teachers. His teachers are not obeyed by him. Why do you waste time? Why is time wasted by you? Who teaches you physics? By whom are you taught physics? Which book do you read these days? Which book is read by you these days? Now past simple tense. He did not help me. I was not helped by him. I told her a story. A story was told to her by me. Like that you can in simple past you can make active to the passive. Okay. Next simple future. Active voice is I shall help him. Passive voice he will be helped by me. Active voice will you sell this house? Passive will this house be sold by you? Who will pay the bill? By whom will the bill be paid? You will not disturb me. I shall not be disturbed by you. When will you visit us? When shall we be visited by you? Now present progressive, active voice, passive voice. She is waiting for us. We are being waited by her. Is he doing his work? Is he working? Is his work being done by him? Who is knocking at the door? By whom is the door being knocked at? Past progressive. Active voice. He was writing a letter. Passive voice. A letter was being written by him. What was she doing? What was being done by her? I was not doing my work. My work was not being done by me. Present perfect. Has he done his work? Has he his work done by him? She has read this book. This book has been read by her. Who has stolen my watch? By whom has my watch been stolen? Past perfect tense. Inactive. She had already cooked the food. The food had already been cooked by him. He had he not read this letter? Had this letter not been read by him? Whose team had won the match? By whose team had the match been won? Future perfect tense. Active voice. He will have received the letter before you reach there. The letter will have been received by him before you reach there. She will not have washed the clothes by this time. The clothes will not have been washed by her by this time. Okay, like that you can make future perfect tense also. Now when sentence is imperative, okay, that means it is command, order, request or suggestion. In that case, while changing imperative sentence into passive, we use the verb like advise, request, order. Okay, please post this letter. You are requested to post this letter. Shut the door. You are ordered to shut the door. Now here when any subject is not given, you will be the subject for it. Okay. Work hard. You are advised to work hard. Light the lamp. Let the lamp be lighted. Never give up hope. Let hope never be given up. Never tell a lie. Let a lie never be told, or a lie should never be told. Now, when the sentence is interrogative, when questions are there, at that time, how to make active voice to passive voice? Do you love him? Is he loved by you? Did he break window? Was the window broken by him? Have you taught the boy? Has the boy been taught by you? What do you want? What is wanted by you? Why did she beat the servant? Why was the servant beaten by her? When did you write the letter? When was the letter written by you? Like that you can make when interrogative questions are there at that time from active to passive you can make in this way. Now modal auxiliaries. The form of the passive sentence will be modal plus be plus past participle. For example, you can do this work. This work can be done by you. Here you are using modal auxiliaries. He may help you. You may be helped by him. She might win the match. The match might be won by her. Could you lend me 50 rupees? Could 50 rupees be lent to me by you? He should respect his elders. His elders should be respected by him. When the prepositional verbs are there, for example, she objected to my proposal. My proposal was objected to by her. Has he given up smoking? Has smoking been given up by him? The children laughed at the beggar. The beggar was laughed at by the children. She accused him of theft. He was accused of theft by her. We ascended to his request. His request was ascended to by us. When causative passive questions are there, at that time how to make active voice to passive voice? Let us see. First, what is meant by quasi? That you learn. That means resemble or having likeness to the something. Quasi means when the sentences are having likeness in between. For example, this mango taste sweet. This mango is sweet when tasted. The shop is building. The shop is being built. The rose smells sweet. The rose is sweet when smelled. Your shirt needs washing. Your shirt needs to be washed. This machine tastes bitter. Sorry, this medicine tastes bitter. This medicine is bitter when tasted. So quasi means when it has likeness. Now miscellaneous. Now some whichever type we learn, some questions may be apart from that. So how it can be written, let us see. Grass grows over the fields. The fields are overgrown with grass. Someone has stolen my pen. My pen has been stolen. People say that he is a rich man. It is said that he is a rich man. It is time to ring the bell. It is time for the bell to be rung. Your behavior surprises me. I am surprised at your behavior. I know him. He is known to me. Music interests me. I am interested in music. This bottle contains milk. Milk is contained in this bottle. 12 months make a year. A year is made of 12 months. One must do one's duty. Duty must be done. Now here are some examples which are already solved. So this you can write down in your notebook. Go through it. After learning all different types in which how you are making active to passive, this will be easy for you to make. And there is one this you have to write down in your notebook. Okay. I hope that everyone might have understood this. If you have any queries, you do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Thank you.